Hi everyone, Duane here with more Excel quick tips. Today looking at custom lists and flash fill. Now we're going to start by filling a couple of standard series. In B4 we have Monday. I'm picking up the little autofill cross on the bottom right corner of cell B4, holding down the mouse, dragging across to the right, and the same for July. Autofill handle, hold down the mouse, drag across to the right. So we have filled two series, just standard series, just as a reminder of how this autofill cross works. Now we're going to create our own custom series. So we're going to go to File and then Options. And in the Options dialog box, we're choosing Advanced. And then we're scrolling all the way down and we see the button Edit Custom Lists. Clicking on that, it brings up the dialog box. We need to set our own new list, clicking in the middle there, and I'm typing in the names. Annie, enter. Ali, enter. Jimmy, enter. Sue, enter. Rosa. And I click on Add to put that list across there, and I go OK. And OK again. Now I type in any one of those names. I'll type in Sue. If I fill that across with the autofill cross, you see I've actually filled a series, created the series, and now filled it. Okay, now we're looking at flash fill. So you see we have Annie accounts 3. Well, I'm going to type in a sentence here. Annie has been in accounts for 3 years, and enter that. Then I'm going back to that cell, picking up the autofill cross of that cell, filling it down. Now the autofill is a copy tool. As you can see, it's copied it all the way down. But I have this little box here, the autofill options. If I click on that, I can choose flash fill. And you see what's happened there. It's put a summarized sentence for all these people. Now note, Annie, correct case. Accounts, same case. So that's important that you get that right. Okay, well that's custom lists and flash fill. If you have any questions on that, you can contact me on info@projectexcel.com.au. Send me a question, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you liked it, please like it. If you want to, you can subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.